Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Bones. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. The song starts off with an introduction where we have a lovely piano part where the left hand begins with a B and then an F sharp. And we play, so it's kind of one and then the right hand takes over with a B, A. Let these notes ring out. We'll be using a lot of the pedal, the sustain pedal. Then we're going to hit the B note again, followed by E, F sharp, and all the Fs in this song are going to be sharp, so watch out for that. So up to now we have, that's the first part. It's well worth getting used to that because we're going to see that not only in the introduction, but also the chorus, which is later on. So after we've played that once, we then basically do the same thing with a very small difference. We have a D and an F sharp in the left hand. And look, there's the B and the A again. Then we have that D note again with F sharp E. So those notes kind of swap around. So the first two parts of the song are, then we go down to a G note. We're going to let that ring out. We then play 1, 2, and. So there's the B and the A. Then we go back and forth with the left and right hand. E, G, F sharp, G, A, higher G, B, lower G, D, high G, B, A. That is kind of a lot of back and forth there, so I'll just play this new part all in one go. That's definitely the trickier part of the two. Let's give that another go just a little bit slow so you can see how all of this fits together. So when you put that all together, slowly we get. We then get to the first verse, that's where things change. So it is worth mentioning, if you'd like the sheet music for this song, we're seeing different parts on the screen as we go out through this video. If you'd like the full thing, then over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases for piano and guitar, so feel free to check that out. However, let's delve in with the first verse where things change. Now, the left hand actually starts off in a very similar way. We have the B to the F sharp, but the right hand is going to play two notes together, F sharp and A. So we have, and then we play B with two lots of the notes up here again. So just to count along with that, because the time's a little bit strange there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We then do the exact same thing, but instead of the B, we play D. So we have. Then we've got a G in the bass, and you're going to have the F sharp and the A, but then it goes just to an F sharp. It's a really tiny detail, but we want to include it. So we have. So yeah, that last part is chugging away on this G note. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Now if you play that round 3 times, you've got yourself most of the first verse. However, on the 4th time round, you'll play it exactly in the same way. But here we have the build up, and what we play is this. We have G octaves, which is G, G, and then we play the F sharp along with it, and the A. So just to show you that 4th time round in its own round, we have. then get to the chorus, and the chorus has basically the same idea as the introduction in terms of the right hand, but the left hand has just some minor differences. It's a little bit busier. So we're going to start off with B octaves, which is going to immediately jump up to the F sharp. So we have, and then you can hit that F sharp again. Now on the music, if you're keen-eyed, you can spot that I played B there. You can pick whichever note you prefer. And then you'll do the same idea for the next bar with D octaves going up to an F sharp here. Again, you can have F sharp or you can have D. Then you've got G octaves, so pretty low at this point, going up to a D note. And just let the right hand take over for that whilst you're holding with your left hand and holding down the pedal with your foot. At this point, we get a ton of repetition. Looking over to my sheet music over there, which is what is over on Patreon for you to get, there is a post-chorus. That's just the introduction part, what we did at the start of the song. There's just a couple of vocal parts on top of it. Literally no difference. We play it once. We then have a second verse, play that round. We then have a chorus, play that round. And then the song finishes with the introduction one more time. But the difference is a very small difference. We have the first time round. And we hold that G to end the song. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material on Patreon. I also want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons, so when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.